labeling using the heart idea in the spiritual journey is confusing. And people keep using this reference. We should just use the simple language. Truth is already there, the unchanging truth. Simple. Absolute truth. Unchanging truth or absolute truth is not an idea. And right now, listen to your heart is simply waiting for the refined ideas, highest meaning. That's what people are looking in this spiritual path. That's why people are failing to recognize their own true nature. The true nature is simple, present in the plain sight, which is without the mind. To reclaim who we are, or to reclaim the spiritual heart, we gotta be empty. We gotta get rid of all the sound, the mental sound. We gotta get rid of that. And how do we do that? Is witnessing oneself. By the way, witnessing yourself is already anchored in the truth. That itself is the heart, by the way. So you gotta witness yourself. You gotta turn the awareness back to yourself. And you gotta trace your mind backward. Trace your experience backward to see the source of the experience, source of your belief. Once you see the root of your belief, root of the experience, then you gotta eliminate the root as well. You gotta let go the root. And that's where you will experience fear of letting go. Right now, who you are is an identification, and your life is built on that identification. And all identification is the physical connection and the mental connection, emotional connection, and furthermore, which is